Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s. So we have s squared minus 5s plus number 14. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s bs plus c over s squared minus 5s plus 14. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about this one. About this one, it is missing about s. Next, s multiplied by this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus b. About s, we have negative 5a plus c. About the numbers, we have 14a. So I will put this one going here. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s, and now we need to find the system of equations. So about s squared, we have number 2, so a plus b equals to number 2. About s, we don't have s, that means this one equals to number 0. About the numbers, we have 14a, so we have negative number 3, so 14a equals to negative number 3. And now we can find the solutions of ABC. So here is the answer for ABC. Now we put ABC going here. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 3 over 14 ln of the absolute value of s. So we just concentrate on this one. Now we have this one in here. So about negative number 5, we can put into number 2 multiplied by 5 over 2. So that means we need to have 5 over 2 everything to the power of 2. Later that, we need to minus about 5 over 2 to the power of 2. So for this one, we have 31 over 4. The reason I need to create about this one, because I want to create about identities in here. So this one, we have s minus 5 over 2 everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So this one I will put this one equals to the square root of 31 over number 2, and I will use about tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 31 over 4 tan t square, 31 over 4, 31 over 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. This one we have s, that means I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one we have secant of t square. So about s, we change by this one. This one we change by this one. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 31 over 4 tan t square. This one multiplied by this one, so we have 155 over 28. And the second one, that is about 31 with the square root 31 over 28 tan t. So this one we can do about factorization. And this one we change by secant of t square. Later that we simplify on numerator and denominator. So for this one, I will put this one and this one go outside, and we have number 2 with the square root 31 over 31. So this one minus this one, we have 125 over 28. And we know that tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. So we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have t. The integration of this one, we have negative. We have this one, ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And I will put about sin here. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by this number in here. So we have t equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we have the final answer in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.